Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable products for your needs. Today, we're talking about what many consider the best camper black water hose on the market, the Camco RhinoFLEX 20-foot sewer hose kit. If you're an RV or camper owner, you know the importance of having a sturdy, flexible, and easy-to-use sewer hose. The RhinoFLEX delivers on all these fronts and more. First off, let's talk about what makes the Camco RhinoFLEX sewer hose kit so special. It's designed to offer superior durability, made with high-quality polyolefin and reinforced with steel wire. This construction ensures the hose resists punctures and kinks, allowing it to handle the rigors of RV life without breaking down. Whether you're navigating a tight space or trying to extend your hose to the perfect length, this hose can stretch and bend without losing its shape. One of the standout features is its pre-attached bayonet fittings. These fittings are specifically designed to securely attach to any standard lug fitting, ensuring a no-leak connection every time. The bayonets also swivel for easy connection and disconnection, making setup and pack down a breeze. The transparent elbow is another fantastic feature. It lets you see when your tank is completely empty, so you don't have to guess whether it's safe to disconnect. The hose also includes a removable 4-in-1 adapter that gives you the flexibility to connect to various sizes of dump station pipes. Whether you're dealing with 3-inch slips or 3.5-inch and 4-inch threaded pipes, the adapter has you covered. And when you're not using it, you can easily store the hose in your RV's 4-inch square bumpers. At 20 feet long, this hose gives you the freedom to maneuver and position your RV with ease. It's perfect for a variety of dumping station setups, and the best part is, when you're done, the hose is easy to store, compact, and ready for the next adventure. When it comes to RV accessories, the Camco RhinoFLEX 20-foot sewer hose kit truly stands out as the best option for reliable performance and long-lasting use. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just someone who enjoys the occasional camping trip, this sewer hose will make your life a lot easier and cleaner. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.